So we're going to learn about Vlookup and Concat today, the two functions right here, Vlookup and Concat. And I'm going to show you with this data set over here where we have customer ID, we have the shipment order, line, product, shipment date, delivery date, and we want to find the customer name with Vlookup, and we're going to find customer ID and name with the Concat. Yeah, so we have a sheet here called customer, and over here we have these two lines with customer ID and with the name of the customer. We want the name to go over to this sheet right here, so in some way we're gonna find out, and the way we do that is Vlookup. Here I find the function, I press, and here we see the values. We have to find lookup value, we have to find table array, the call index number, and range lookup. And first off, we start with lookup value, and we want the customer ID value, so it's 10 in this case. Then we close it up just like the function says, and we're going to find table array, and that's over in the customer sheet. We are going to pick both A and B because that's the ones that we want to search in, and then we're going to find the index number. And in this case, Excel doesn't take alphabetics letters, so we're going to count. We say 1 and 2, so we write 2, and now we are going to find range lookup. There is true, approximate match, but we want to find the false because we want to find an exact match, so that's why false. When we find the false, we close bracket and hit enter, and there you go. At customer ID 10 we have Davidson shop, and if you click it 2 times, then it would show every single value for every single row, and that's, for me, lucky me, because I have over 10,000 values that I have to look up. And customer ID and name, that's so simple. I'm gonna show you right now. It is, you type Concat, that's the function, you click, and then it tells you text 1, and text 1 is customer ID, it's 10, and then you close it up and say text 2, that's customer name, we take Davidson shop, and we close bracket, and it gives us 10 Davidson shop. So we both have ID and name, and then you just double click. Oh, and there you go, you have it all. That's how you use Vlookup and Concat functions on Excel. Thank you for watching, and yeah.